Welcome everybody to this short video tutorial about FMCpay exchange. And today I want to actually share with you something amazing that this company has put together called the Tap and Earn, where you can have an opportunity to be earning free FMC token even before you start purchasing your staking packages. And you can only participate only when you have become a verified member, a KYC verified member of the exchange platform. So what do you need to do? Let me just show you how we are claiming free FMC token and building our portfolio to earn as many of these tokens as possible. And as you can see lately, you will notice that this token is appreciating in value. So how do we actually claim that? So what you normally need to do is just to make sure you log into this exchange either on your mobile app, either on your internet web access phase, or any other means. And whenever you see this what's it called, red pop up at the bottom right, you click on it like this. And once you click on it, can you see what it's showing me? 11 FMC. Congratulations for receiving 11 FMC. So you go to another page like this particular one now. As you can see it here, you see market, you click on market. This pop-up comes up again, you click on it, you give me another token. Can you see 9 FMC? You go to another page, which is the trade page. You see it there, it's popping up. And you can see as I'm claiming free token to myself, all because I've taken action, take time to complete my KYC, and also complete the verification of my 2FA Google Authenticator, which is important as well. So while you're actually preparing to get started with your FMC business and start staking your Paynet coin, I will encourage every one of you on this group, if you are yet to complete your KYC, even though it's a bit challenging, and why the company do it that way is because they really want to be sure and do the KYC the right way. So just like you have seen it now, I've claimed my own FMC. If I log in the next few minutes, another pop-up will come up and I will keep claiming it. So it depends on how many times you open or log into your exchange that will determine how many of these tokens that is going to be yours. So I encourage you to make sure you keep doing that so that you can have as many of it as possible. As you can see right now, I have over 286,468.62 FMC token, which is valued around $591. Actually, all this is not what I got through staking anyway. I purchased some myself, so I encourage you to quickly do that. And in case you're on this group and you make up your mind to be part of this revolutionary exchange platform that is changing level over the world, another thing I would like to share with you is what you need to do right now to take full advantage of this opportunity. So what are the things you need to do right now? Quickly, I'll put them down on a slide. So how to take advantage of the FMC exchange. Number one, you need to make sure you ask your sponsor for referral links. If you are here as a prospect, you are not yet on board, you have not signed up your FMC exchange or sign up on the staking platform, go back to your sponsor, the person that referred you to this group, the person that shared this opportunity with you, to ask for their referral link. So when you have their referral link, tell them that you're ready to get started. And the referral links are two. We're going to sign up on the exchange, and another one is going to give you another referral link that is going to enable you to sign up on the affiliate platform. So once you sign up with your referral link, you need to complete your referral registration on the exchange first, which is the FMCpay exchange. So your sponsor will give you the link, take it and register. It's a free account. You don't need to pay for you to become a member of the exchange. Then after that, make sure you become a KYC verified member. It's very important. I know it's challenging. Some people say they have done it once, twice, but the company wants a perfect verification. That's why it's a bit tedious, and I will encourage you not to give up and make sure you do what you need to do to make sure you complete your verification process. Then the next thing you need to do after you have signed up for your FMC exchange is completing your KYC verification, is to also complete your 2FA. That's your Google Authenticator. It's important you complete your Google Authenticator and also complete your email verification. So once you have done all this, even before you start purchasing your Paynet Coin Staking, you can start claiming this FMC that I just showed you guys. It's amazing. Because I remember that it was how Binance got started and other big exchanges, when they were giving their token for free, some people didn't take it serious, but the few that took it serious are now actually thanking God that they make that decision, and I want you also to be the next success story. Then the next thing you need to do is to complete your registration on our affiliate portal. The affiliate portal is where you can start staking the Paynet coin. So this company has two cryptocurrency platform things that they give out to us. We have the FMC token, and we also have a Paynet coin. So the Paynet coin is the one that gives you the daily passive income for you staking it every single day, which you can convert to USDT and cash and withdraw your money.